Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use MyPay on Chime. So guys, what is MyPay is access to money. You can access to money before payday with authorized outstanding MyPay balance will be rapid from direct deposit to your Chime checking account. So guys, first step you need to do is set up your direct deposit. If you have already opened a Chime checking account, open a free account here, and after that at least you qualify MyPay direct deposit of $200 or more deposit within last 36 days, and one qualifying MyPay direct deposit of 200 on one or more per deposit that lasts 316 additional dates. Source such your work email work address MyPay enroll and see how much you can access. After enrolled MyPay, check your MyPay app on your app. Check your app, guys. After that, guys, what you have to do, just follow the app and choose the much you need, and at giving time the amount you can take advance, you will be then equal your overall credit limit, and then select speed, choose the schedule advanced, and the money will be deposited on your checking account within 24 hours, and it's completely free. This is how you can do, guys, to set up. This is how you actually work MyPay. This is when you use MyPay amount you advance it, you pay period plus any fees and create 2 per instant advanced. If you choose use instant advanced option, the first transaction will be labeled MyPay instant advanced fee. This is how you can use, guys. I hope this video for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.